Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. I am on the induction cooktop. I'm gonna make you some quick and easy Q sauce. That's right, barbecue sauce done on the induction. Few simple ingredients. Let's get down to business, all right? First off, let's turn our induction pan on, center pan. We'll crank this guy up. Now we're at a 7. So we want 70%. We're gonna use it. And the beauty about induction is I have the 36-inch cooktop here, but now I can keep all of my mise en place, all of my sauce ingredients on here without it affecting. Because what happens in induction, what it is, you know, 2 magnetrons creating ferrous energy, which creates this beautiful thing. So I can put my hand right here, touching it. I won't hurt anything. So it really creates a burner right to the pan. Super quick, super efficient, gaining a lot of popularity. If you want to learn more, come to any of our showrooms. But for now, I got a half a red onion. We're gonna core out the center, this little petal right here, okay? We're gonna get a nice little dice on this. This is gonna be the base for our sauce. Super easy, so I'll take that core right out. Lay this guy flat. We're gonna wanna get it nice and thin. We want this to almost be nice and translucent, so I'm just gonna give it a quick chop, go right through this guy. You know, probably try and keep it all on the cutting board too. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil, right? Hear that sizzle, hear that sear. That's what we love. And that's, look at this, like even if I get this cooktop dirty, like I put those onions on there, they're not gonna cook. It's the induction friendly way. So let's take this all the way up to a boost. Let's take it to a 9. And we're gonna saute these down till translucent, guys. So what I say translucent is it's really gonna look a little bit pale, almost see-through. So that's when we know the onion's tender, but it doesn't dissipate into like an onion puree or an onion jam. Listen to that. But look how nice. See these? See how they're starting to get clear and shiny? That's almost halfway to the translucent phase. I love that. A little bit more. Look at that. We've achieved that translucent stage right here. Okay? If anybody ever wants to know what that is, it's right before it caramelizes and browns. With that being said, let's take it down to a 5, like 50%, and we're gonna start to add some of our deglazing effect here, okay? Here is 4 ounces of soy sauce. I'm gonna put this in now. It has a high sugar content. Next, we're gonna add double espresso. So this gives it a little bit of body, a little earthiness, a little great effect for a cowboy coffee, as they used to call it, cowboy chili. That'll work right there. That goes in, perfect. Now our rub. I got 3 tablespoons of rub. Put that in too. Beautiful. Smells great. Ketchup, 2 cups, and then there's a mustard in there too, if you can't see that. It's 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And I like to start to get all this together. There's not much heat in here, folks, so if you like a hot one, you know, you could dice a jalapeno in, you could throw some hot sauce in. Works out very well. Brown sugar. Here is 1 cup, loose pack. Don't pack it down, just pack it up. Loose pack brown sugar, all right? We're gonna add a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, okay? A little bit of water to thin this guy out. So this is gonna vary. I'm gonna go with about 1.5 cups of water, just to give it the consistency I need. You're gonna see, we're gonna cook this down just a little bit, you know, bring it to a simmer, but it's gonna need that. Next, we're gonna add some honey to sweeten the deal a little bit. Nice 2 tablespoons. Let's just get this guy up to a boil. Try and reduce it down a little bit to get the consistency we need. We should be in business. Hear it popping a little bit, but I did spill some. That's another beauty of induction. If I just go like that, I'm not gonna make a mess on the cooktop. I'm not gonna worry about burning it to the cooktop. That's how efficient it is. And truthfully, I can just go like this, clean it up. That's nice. That's why I cook on it. All we're doing now is really getting that brown sugar dissolve, and the last of the final dry ingredients, kind of get that incorporated. That's what we want. We want a little onion. We want a little bit of kick from that espresso. We want that salty, sweet honey. Look, this barbecue sauce ready to go for all of your barbecue needs.